Dobry dzień, my friends, and welcome to Slovakia. Today, we're going to Austria. So this is a border crossing video, and we're on our way to Austria. As I said, we're here in the town of Sekule, or something like that, which is a Slovakian small town. I think you can see it on the left side here. Huge town, huge town. And we also got some Slovakian infrastructure here, such as a bumpy road and this weird UFO looking tower. What's that? And yeah, what else can I tell you? We've got the field here. It's pretty green. We've got a red car coming directly at us. Now it's gone. And there we have this thing. I think this is supposed to greet aliens once they arrive or something. I don't know. Maybe it's an alien farm, an alien ant farm or something. I don't know. And we're going right. Yeah, as you can see, we're telling you that we go right. So now we're going right. And now we're passing by this Vadual building here, which also has a weird tower-like structure within its area. What is this? Inat? I don't know, something. Who cares? And yes, as you can see, this is a nice house. We should buy it and live there forever. Or not. So, what was I about to say? Oh yeah, exactly. As you can see, now we're going straight. And at the end of this road, we will find the border. The border to Austria, the Austrian border, or the border that is between Austria and Slovakia. So, however you want to put it, who cares? So now we're going straight, and this is a pretty long straight actually, so let's just enjoy the view. Okay, that's not pretty entertaining, is it? So let me talk about something. There's a cute, ugly pond here. Now it's gone. So there's another one. And what else do we have here on the right side of the road? Well, not much actually. Some shrubs, some trees, some bryophytes, some things. And what is this? What is this? A small bridge across a pond, across a creek. But this wasn't the border, no. The border bridge is supposed to be a bit bigger. And there has to be a sign telling us that we're leaving Slovakia and entering Austria or something like that. What else could we do? We could look up. Oh, that's a nice view, isn't it? We can see some treetops and the blue sky. And it's warm. It's 18 degrees. So that's pretty unusual, is it? Why is it so hot? I have no idea. It shouldn't be so hot. That's what I can tell you. And look at this. On the right side of the road, you can see some cows. Do you see the cows in the distance? What is there? Oh, is this the border already? No, it's not. What is this? But there is a blue sign telling us something. Let's see what it tells us. So, we're still in Slovakia, yeah. But Republic Österreich is ahead. Yeah, we knew that. 2 kilometers, or was it 1 or 2? 2? 1 kilometer to Austria. So we're there in a second or so. So yeah, let's just do this. Vámonos. Gema. 30. And yeah, whatever that meant. Was it like you may not go slower than 30 or something? Yes. See? I mean, I did my driver's license years ago, so I forgot most of it. But yeah, whatever. I can see the bridge. And do you see the trees? With some plants on top. Epiphytical plants. epiphytes or whatever, I don't know. And there's a traffic light. So when it's green, we're allowed to enter Austria, and if it's red, we're not. 50-50. 50. So, let's see. May we enter or may we not? We will see. Oh no, it's orange. We may not enter. But wait. So yeah, let's just wait for, what, 70 seconds? Why do we have to wait so long? That's too long. Oh God, is this boring. And there's this bridge, the border bridge. In the meantime, we can look out of this window, and what we see here is the river that separates Austria and Slovakia. The border river. I have no idea what it's called, but we can see a wooden house and a guy trying to catch some fish. The funny thing is, all of those houses do have those funny wooden leg-like structures beneath them. I think it's in case of a sudden flooding or something, so the house doesn't get flooded. Whatever, it's green. We're crossing the border. This is the border bridge. Very nice bridge. Very bridgy. And there we have the border. Oh, so amazing. So amazing. How do we get there? I have no idea. Amazing. And where is the sign? I have to see the sign. There we have a sign telling us that we're now in the Republic Österreich. Meaning we're now in Austria, I suppose. Yes, yes. So we have been greeted by a nice policeman who said, "Go on." That was pretty random. But whatever, now we're in Austria. So, that's it. That was the border crossing video from Slovakia to Austria. I hope you enjoyed it. If not, well, maybe try another one, such as this one, or that one. Or click the sun and see what happens. Because this is the end of the video. Goodbye.